Welcome students, welcome back. Myself Kokoreja Rahul. In today's session, we are moving the extra sums of the standard 9, chapter number 10. Okay, circles. In the previous session, we already completed all the exercise and all the sum that are the in exercise. Okay, now we are moving on the extra sums that are the revision sums for you. Okay, and also one of the revision sum that are done in the previous session also. So let's start to move on. Okay, so standard 9, chapter number 10, that are the circles, and we are moving on the extra revision questions. Okay, that are helps to for extra understanding for the chapter number 10. Okay, so as per the previous session, this is the one of the kind of the that question that are the previous one that are we are done. Okay, using the circle have two chords and we have to find the radius of the circles. Okay, same kind of the question, but little bit are changes in this question. That is the question is that the length of the two parallel chords of the circle are 6 cm and 8 cm. If the smaller chord is at the distance 4 cm from the center, what is the distance of the other chord from the center? What is the distance of the other chord from the center? So here that it's clearly said that there is a two chord, smaller and larger. Okay, here is the two chords that are smaller and larger. Smaller one we are more describing it here, and larger one we are describing it here. Okay, and here's the center of the circle. It says that length of the two parallel chords of circle are 6 cm and 8 cm. So this is the 6 cm and this is the 8 cm in length. If the smaller chord is at the distance 4 cm from the center, if the smaller chord is at distance 4 cm from the center, this is the smaller chord. Okay, and the distance of the smaller chord from the center, that is 4 cm. Clear that? Okay, okay. So next thing, that is what is the distance of the other chord from the center? What is the distance of other chord from the center? So you need to find this distance. Okay, you need to find this distance. Okay, so first of all we have to give the naming of the all the kind of the part, and first of all I'll draw the figure properly. Okay, this is the center of the circle, this is smaller one, and this is larger one. Smaller one I'll give them name AB, and larger one I'll give them as a AD. Smaller one is 6 cm longer and larger one is 8 cm longer. Okay, and the distance from the center of the circle to the smaller chord, that is 4 cm. Here is the 4 cm. What is the distance of the other chord from the center? You need to find this distance. Okay, so let's start to move for the question. Okay, So first of all, in the given, that's AB is equal to 6 centimeter and CD is equal to the 8 centimeter. Second thing, I'll give the naming at M and intersect at N here. Okay, so OM, that is equal to the 4 centimeter given, and I need to find ON. Okay, so from the center of the circle to the chord, that are the perpendicular to the chord, that we know. So that's why I'll write that ON and OM are perpendicular to CD and AB. Okay, so therefore they are perpendicular to the chord, therefore they are also bisect the chord. So therefore CN is equal to the CD, that is 8 centimeter, so therefore CN is 4 centimeter and ND is also equal to the 4 centimeter. AB, there are 6 centimeter, therefore AM, that is 3 centimeter, and MB are also equal to the 3 centimeter. Clear that? Then CN equal to 4 centimeter and AM is equal to the 3 centimeter. Now same as the previous session, first of all I'll draw the triangles. Okay, with the radius. So you can see that here triangle CON, here my triangle CON, in triangle CON, ON is perpendicular to the CN, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we should to say that Cn square plus On square is equal to the OC square, base square plus height square equal to the hypotenuse square. Okay, so now base is given Cn as a 4 square plus On that are not given, we need to find the On square equal to OC, that are the radius of the circle, therefore I'll write that here R square. Okay, so therefore 16 plus On square equal to the R square. This is my first equation. Now also I'll write that for the triangle OAM, in triangle OAM, OM that are perpendicular to the AM, so therefore by Pythagoras theorem, okay, therefore by the Pythagoras theorem I should to write base square plus height square equal to the hypotenuse square. Okay, clear that? So therefore AM, that is 3 square plus OM square is equal to OA, that are the radius, R square. So therefore 9 plus OM that are given as a 4 centimeter, that are the from the center of the circle. Okay, OM that are given as a 4 centimeter, so 4 square, that is 16 equal to the R square. So therefore 9 plus 16, that are the 25 equal to R square. Therefore radius of the circle is equal to square root of 25, that is the radius is 5 centimeter. Here my radius of the circle, that are the 5 centimeter. So now I have to find the ON square. So for the ON square I'll put the value of the radius in this equation. So ON square equal to R square minus 16. R square, I'll directly put the value of the R square at here, that are the 25 minus 16, that are the 9. So ON equal to square root of 9 equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so ON is equal to the 3 centimeter. Clear that? So note down this first one. Dear students, as per the request by the students, okay, your FA2 question paper, okay, your FA2 question paper, that I'll solve and I'll making the video for that, okay, and I'm 100% sure about that. I'll give you that videos and I'll upload that videos in short time, okay. So please wait for that till I'll upload, okay. After this session we have to move for the that paper and I'll solve all the kind of the question of FA2 questions, okay. In FA2 all kind of the questions that are asked in the examination, okay. So that all kind of the question I'll solve and I'll give you that video after this session, okay. So after this session, that means tomorrow I'll give you the video for that, okay. So now next question is that the radius of the circle is 16 centimeter and the length of the one of the chord is 24 centimeter. Then the distance of the chord from the center is, here radius of circle is given that 16 centimeter and the length of the total chord, that is equal to the 24 centimeter. I need to find the distance from the center of the circle. So I'll give the naming A, B and M at here. So we know that from the center of the circle, that are the bisect the chord, okay. So I'll directly write it here, answer, okay. ON, that are the perpendicular to the AB, so therefore bisect the AB, so therefore AM is equal to the MB, so therefore AM is equal to the half of AB, so therefore AM is equal to half into 24, so 2 12s are 24, therefore AM is equal to the 12 centimeter. Now at here my dear, AM is 12 centimeter, so here OMA, that are forming right angle triangle OMA are right angle triangle OMA is a right angle triangle. Okay, so therefore OM square plus AM square is equal to the OA square. So therefore we need to find the distance from the center of the circle to the chord. Okay, so OM square, write as it is. OA is given 16 and AM is given as a 12. So 12 square equal to 16 square. So therefore OM square equal to 16 square minus 12 square. So therefore OM square equal to 16 square, that is 256, minus 12 square, that is 144. So therefore OM square, that is 256 minus 144, that is 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 4 1, and 2 minus 1 1, that is 112. So now we need to find the square root of 112. So for this square root of 112, I'll factorize that. So 2 6 are 12, sorry, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 28 are 56, 2 14 are 28, 2 7 are 14. Okay, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, that are the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So therefore 2 2s are 4, that is 1 2, and 2 2s are 4 is 1 2 and root 7. So your answer will be 4 root 7. There is the distance from the center of the circle, that is 4 root 7 centimeter. Okay, so OM is 4 root 7 centimeter square. Sorry, it's a just centimeter, not a centimeter square. Okay, so please note down this fast. So we have to move for the next same kind of the question. Next question is given that the length of the chord, which is at the distance of 10 centimeter from the center of the circle and having radius 20 centimeter. Distance from the center of the circle, that are 10 centimeter, and radius is given as a 20 centimeter. So we need to find the length of the chord. Here at this place that are given 10 centimeter, and this place they are given as a 20 centimeter. I need to find the length of the chord in the second question. Okay, so guys, first of all do yourself. Okay, if you know about that, if you clear that this kind of the sum, so you have to do also next session next question, that are the given OM is a 10 and OA is 20, and we need to find the length of the AB. Okay, so you can do also that. Okay, please do yourself first of all. Clear this sum. If you got the answer, okay, then you can comment me. Okay, now I can do this question. Okay, now I'll do this question. So here from the center of the circle to the chord OM, that are given as a 10 centimeter, and my radius is given as a 20 centimeter. I need to find the length of the AB. So what is the solution for that? That is we are also moving for the Pythagoras theorem. Here that is OMA, that are right angle triangle. So we have to use the Pythagoras. So using Pythagoras theorem, that is OM square plus AM square equal to OA square. So that is 10 square plus AM square equal to the 20 square. So AM square, that is 400, minus 10 square, that is 100. 400 minus 100, that is 300. Okay, so length of the AM, that is the square root of 300, then square root of 300, that is 10 root 3. Okay, square root of 300, that is 10 root 3 centimeter. Here my length of the AM, that are the 10 root 3 centimeter. I need to find the length of the AB. So OM is perpendicular to AB, therefore bisect the AB, we know that. Okay, so therefore I'll write that, therefore AM is equal to the MB, so therefore AB is equal to the 2 times AM, that is 2 times 10 root 3. Therefore length of the AB is equal to the 20 root 3. Clear that? Length of the AB, that is equal to the 20 root 3. Clear? So please note down this. This kind of the question are asked in the 1 mark question and MCQ question. Okay, so in that it give the options. Okay, so you can solve that. If the options are given in the decimal, then you should to convert 20 root 3 into the decimal formation. So you should to multiply 20 into 1.73, that is the value of the root 3. So 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so your answer will be 34.6 centimeter. The answer would be 34.6 centimeter. If answers are given in the option, that is the decimal numbers, then you should to convert the values of the root. Okay, clear that? Now next question, that is the ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral given. So first of all I'll draw the quadrilateral in the circle. This is my circle and this is my quadrilateral. Okay, so here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Next, that is question is that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. Okay, now DBC is equal to 59 degree. DBC, this angle is equal to the 59 degree, and BAC equal to 45 degree. BAC is equal to the 45 degree. Then BCD is equal to question mark. So this kind of the question we are already done in the exercise. Okay, so first of all students, you have to tell me that what can I do in this question. Kindly send your answers in the comment section also. Then you can say me that what kind of I'll do in this question. Here we have seen that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore BC is a chord of circle. We have to take BC as a chord of the circle. Okay, so at the BC there are the two angles BAC and BDC. Okay, these two angles are formed on the same chord BC. Clear that? So therefore we have to say that both of the angles are equal. Therefore angle BAC is equal to the angle BDC is equal to the 45 degree that are formed on the same base. Okay, they are formed on the same base or same chord. Okay, these two angles. Now we have to move for the triangle. In the triangle BCD, using using angle sum property. Okay, angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to the 180 degree. Clear that? So 59 plus 45, 59 plus 45 plus CD is equal to the 180 degree. Sorry, angle D, that is not a CD, that is angle D. Okay, so 45 plus 59, that is 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10, 104 plus angle D equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle D is equal to 180 minus 104, that is 76 degree. That are the 76 degree. So your angle BCD is equal to the 76 degree. So your answer will be 76 degree. Clear that? This is the one of the questions that mostly asked in the examination point of view for the 1 mark. Okay, so kindly understand that what thing you should to do. Okay, in 1 mark you have to do just this kind of the method, not any kind of the other thing you have to write at here. In the question that are the asked in the exercise, okay, that question are asked in the for 2 marks or 3 marks, because of the there is a lots of things you have to write in that question. Okay, so depending on the mark, okay, depending on the mark, number of mark, you have to write the content of that question. Okay, depending on the number of marks. So next question that is given, that is find the value of the x in the figure. So first your figure is given, that is AC and BD. AC and BD are the diameters of the circle. AC and BD are the diameters of the circle. Okay, and here BC and AD as a chord are drawn. Okay, so at here, that is 30 degree is at given at here, and angle X you have to given at here. So we need to find value of X. We need to find the value of X. Clear that? So for the X, first of all I'll construct this CD as a one of the chord. Okay, so I'll write that take CD as a chord. So therefore angle CBD is equal to the angle CAD. Okay, on the same chord at the center at the end of the circle, okay, two angles are formed that are the equal, we know that. So at 30 degree at here and then 30 degree at here are also equal in length. Okay, so are equal to the 30 degree. Now in triangle AOD, OA is radius and OD is also radius. Okay, and triangle OAD, OA is equal to the OD, that are the radius. So therefore if radius two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal, that we know that in the isosceles triangle, that are the isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal of the triangle, then that triangle we know that as the right as isosceles triangle. So in the isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then their base angles are also equal. So therefore angle OAD is equal to the angle ODA. Okay, so therefore 30 degree is equal to the x. Okay, so x is also equal to the 30 degree. Clear that? So this is the one of the easiest question and also asked in the 1 mark question. Okay, so you need to write the method of the questions in the also 1 mark question, or one of the kind of the MCQ type of the question. You should to write the method of that also in the 1 mark question of the MCQ type of the question, or true and false, or fill in the blanks, any kind of that. Okay, so students, I hope all of you understand, and all of you have clear all that things in the today's session. Okay, so in next session we are moving for the FA2 questions, okay, that are asked in the FA2 examination. Okay, we have to solve that questions, and I'll upload that videos in our channel. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.